just a short presentation. Luca Sarandrea is the new technologies director at Cementir Holding. And then, yeah, for you is basically what's the biggest challenge in your industry at the moment, and how can we all together overcome it? And I hope. Here you are. Yeah.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you for introducing myself. Happy to be on the panelist. Looking at what we discussed today, in our industry, we are focusing on reducing CO2, and this is what is one of the mega trends, I would say, that we are having in our industries. But it's simple to say that we need to find technologies to capture CO2. We need to also to define a real value chain for the technologies of the CO2 removal. For instance, one important aspect is the integration of the existing plants that are basically traditional cement plant with old technologies or with new technologies, but you need to integrate the production and the process, and for sure a lot of those carbon capture technologies needs a lot of electrical energy, and the electrical energy is becoming one of the key factors to make it possible. And we are thinking that we need to be ready for that, because we can find the technologies, as I mentioned, to capture CO2, but we need to have the real infrastructure and the real integration with the existing plants. That's another big challenge, I would say, for our industry. That's the reason why we need to embrace also different aspects on our process. For sure, we are having a lot of heat in our cement plant, and we need to use it as much as possible to produce electrical energy. Then, of course, we need to have a power purchase agreement in a long-term period, because that should be something that it will secure us the availability and the needs that we are having. That's my comments, and it's I believe it's very well integrated on what we discussed today during the conference.
Luca, next question for you is, how can we leverage emerging technologies to drive innovation in your field of operation?
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of technologies right now that you can embrace in the market, and the fact that before selecting technologies, we need to be sure that it's very well fitting with our process. Now, as a cement producer, we are looking not only at the carbon capture plant, as the colleagues of Titan is mentioning, we are looking also at secondary material and how to reduce the quantity of clinker in our main product, in our cement, maintaining the quality and maintaining the same spec that's based on the norms that we are following. For sure, we need to explore all the field, taking into consideration also the experience that other industries are doing, like steel plant, mining, and other process related to us, and to try to find the solution to apply and to integrate with our process.